In this video we will be getting all about how machine learns and how the machine thinks, and everything we will be getting all about the AI and about the models, deep learning, decision making, everything we will be getting in this video. So make sure that to hit the like, share and the subscribe button to get such type of the videos, and let's get started the video. Before moving to this video, I recommend that to watch the previous video in which we have explained about the AI basics. Okay, so let's get started the video. So if we talk about how machine learn to think, so the answer is that AI doesn't use magic. It uses a system learning and decision making cycle. Okay, what are the cycles and how does the machine thinks, everything we will be seeing now. Okay, so our first step is about the data collection. In the data collection, we gather the vast diverse data like images, text, voice, numbers for the model to study. To training the models, we collect the data like images, text, voice, numbers, etc. Okay, and the next part will be our training part. Okay, in the training part, the data is fed to the AI model so it can learn patterns and rules similar to how we learn from experience. Okay, so if we talk about the human beings does the analysis of the past things, and on behalf of that they will have a decision. Okay, like that similarly for training the model, we need first of all the data, the previous data. Okay, after that we train the model. Okay, the next part will be the pattern recognition. In the pattern recognition, the AI starts identifying connections and repeatable structures within the input data. Okay, this is how the pattern recognition looks like this. Okay, and the very next part is about the decision making. In the decision making, using its learned knowledge, okay, the AI makes prediction or performs action on new unseen data. Okay, basically the with the help of analysis part, okay, the data which we have provided recently, with the help of that it will have a look at that data and it will recognize that and it will make a prediction and it will perform a new output and it will be getting the new output. Okay, this is how the AI thinks. Okay, so here is the simple example. If an AI is shown thousands of labels, pictures of cats and dogs, it eventually learns the features, ears, whiskers, size, need to correctly identify any new picture as either a cat or a dog. Okay, clear. The very next part is about the pillars of AI. Okay, so now we have shown about the how the AI thinks. Now we will be getting the pillars, that how to build a model. Okay, so with the help of machine learning, with the help of computer vision, with the help of deep learning, natural language, with the help of these parts we built a AI model. Okay, this branch often work together to create complex AI systems such as a self-driving car, which utilizes computer vision to see and deep learning to process the data. Okay, the next video we will be getting more info about the AI, so make sure that to hit the like, share and the subscribe button, and let's see you in the next video, guys.